All right, quick update video on the treehouse. It is coming together. You can see we've begun to work on the railings. This update's really about the deck boards though. They're all in place, went pretty well. Ran them pretty much perpendicular to the face here. That triangle's a 90-degree triangle, so it worked pretty well. Every cut was essentially a 45, which made things a lot easier. Not perfect. There's some spots where I was a little lazy, but overall things turned out pretty good. I never really built a deck with the posts in place first, so that led to some interesting cuts. I'm curious how other people handle this, but boards like this where you had to slide them down over the posts. There were 3 of those, I think. One there, one here, just barely, and then this one, which I cut many times. Very frustrating, but it all turned out pretty good. Kind of rounded off the edges there. Nice thing about a tree house is it just doesn't really matter. There's no formality here. I've got one thing I got to clean up. I thought when I did this outside piece here, that I was going to kind of sort of have an origami of boards to go around that tree, but when I finished off this side, I ended up just running in the same direction. So I'll probably take that off and redo it. I just really want to get the railings up today, so we'll come back and do that later. Give a little preview of the railing process. Also have never done this, or at least when I've done this kind of thing, it has been frustrating, to say the least. So I feel like I've got a pretty good method here. The design will be, let's see if I can show this off carefully. Well, I don't have an extra spindle up here, so spindles will go on the outside. They'll be flush with the face here, so just be a spindle face. Want to kind of give as much space inside as possible. And then we'll cap the whole thing with the deck board across the top. It's a nice flat surface across the top. Pretty happy with that overall. I'll do an angle cut in the spindles, so it'll just be on the bottom. It'll just kind of die into that bottom board. But for actually mounting them, I took the time to just make spacers for everything. So I've got 3 spacers that are 3 inches high to put the bottom board on, and then I've just been clamping a spindle on the outside to hold this kind of it locks this board in place, and it locks at the right direction that way. And then the height is of course locked in by that guy. So by the time I countersink a screw in there, I'm using a big drill bit to just get an opening, kind of like a Craig jig by hand. And then for the next round, we just do the same thing. We just put that up there as if it's a spacer and replicate the same thing up top. And it's been working pretty well. I mean, it worked pretty well for the first ones. We'll see how it goes. Just putting 2 3.5-inch screws through those. I thought about buying the brackets that mount those, but I don't think we're gonna have any issues with strength here. These are quite sturdy. So yeah, that's the plan. We've got one more big one here, and then these 2 sections, can't see it because that tree's in the way, these 2 sections here, and then that will be where the stairs come up, and that will be where the slide goes down. I'd kind of, I think on a previous video, I was a little bummed at how far that post ended up from the tree. So I may put a railing between that, put a set of spindles between that, or figure something out there. There should be room. Probably do a little bit of a straight shot. The angle cut's going to be a little funky there because it's a 45 here, but it's not square, so it'd be a little off angle, but doable, I think. And I think the tree, as it grows, we'd have to kind of figure that out, but I think it could work. So may try that, but that'll be the last thing. I'll just clean up that whole corner when I'm done there. There's some other things I want to clean up down there, but goal is to have all the railings done today, and then I'd really like to get the stairs at least started. I was going to try to get them done, but that's going to take some thinking, I think. So yeah, it kind of worked out really nicely. I don't have any railings against these 45s because that one will be square to the other side here, and then that opening is for the stairs, and then on this side I may end up hitting that, but no plans right now. So I'll do an update once the railing is done, and then describe what we're doing with the stairs. I don't have got some ideas. I wouldn't say I have a plan yet, but it's going to come down there, and I may incorporate the tree a little bit into it. So we will see, but so far things are definitely good enough. We've said that a couple times in this project. It's definitely been true on this project. Just good enough. Alrighty, see you in the next video.